Hi friends, thanks for taking a walk with me. Last week I had the privilege of leading a workshop that I've called Amplifying Your Identity in Christ, and it was uniquely designed to help you create and check in on your foundational practices in the way that you have your spiritual life and really your whole life set up to thrive and flourish so God's love can move through us as we live as that person who's loved by God. And there's three pillars to support our identity. First, it's our growth in grace and holiness, and we might call it a rule of life. Second, it's our commitment to live out at least a little bit most days our actual deep mission and use our deepest gift. And third, it's recognizing who is the community that we have around us that we support and support us. If you'd like to take a deep dive, sign up today at brianrussellphd.com/growth workshops. I'll send you the replay, the worksheets I shared, and you'll be able to be invited to my next workshop, which will be July 24th. Hope to see you there. Till next time, live by faith, be known by love, and be a voice of hope to others.